This video is going to cover some of the basics of optimizing your WordPress post for that all-important free search engine traffic. Now there's a lot of items to deal with in the world of search engine optimization, or SEO, and what makes this even more confusing is that the importance of some of these items are going to change. A few years ago, for example, all you needed was a whole bunch of targeted keywords in your site's head section and in the content area, and boom, you're on the first page of Google. Well, those days are no more, but there are some basic steps that you should be taking to help your SEO rankings. And like with many things in WordPress, there's a plugin that can help us do this. One such plugin is called All-in-One SEO Pack by Michael Torbert. So let's go ahead and install and activate this plugin. And to do this, we need to log into our dashboard area, which I've already done here. And if you've never done this before, it's super simple. Just go on up to the address bar of your browser and enter the URL of your WordPress installation, followed by a /WP-admin, hit enter, and then a box is going to pop up asking you for your username and your password. Go ahead and put those in, click on login, and you'll be brought to this page. And once you're here, come on over here to the left sidebar and hover over the word plugins, and in the flyout, click on add new. Then up here in the search plugins box, type in all-in-one SEO pack, then hit enter. And it should be one of the first ones that pop up. Go ahead and click on install now, and then activate plugin. Now as soon as you activate the plugin, you're going to get this pop out here, and of course read these over, but for the most part you can just dismiss these. And as soon as you activate the plugin, most of the default settings that were done at the point of you activating the plugin is really enough. You've really just done a lot more for your search engine optimization than anybody that does not have this type of a plugin installed and activated on their site. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of the settings. Now it does appear up here at the top on your left sidebar